Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Kotlin programming language. First, ensure you have the Java Development Kit, version 11 or newer, installed on your system. Next, download and install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, which is the recommended integrated development environment for Kotlin. Once installed, open IntelliJ IDEA and create a new Kotlin project to begin your coding journey. After setting up, focus on Kotlin's fundamental concepts. Start by grasping variables, data types, and essential operators. Then, move on to control flow statements such as if/else conditions and various loop structures. Finally, learn how to define and use functions effectively, which are crucial building blocks for any program. This foundation is key. Once you have the basics down, delve into more advanced Kotlin features. Explore object-oriented programming principles like classes, objects, and inheritance. Practice using collections, understanding Kotlin's robust null safety features, and working with Lambda expressions. Crucially, apply your learning by building small, practical projects to solidify your understanding and skills. To continue your learning, leverage the official Kotlin documentation and online tutorials, which are excellent resources. Engage with the vibrant Kotlin community through forums or social media for support and to share knowledge. As you gain confidence, consider contributing to open-source Kotlin projects. It's a fantastic way to learn and grow as a developer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.